Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a beautiful colorful smoky eye, so stay tuned. So I already did my brows and primer lids, so we're taking this black eyeliner, packing it into the crease as a base for the black eyeshadow. So the palette we're using today is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. So we're just packing that black eyeshadow on the eyeliner. The next shade we're going to use is a green, and we're going to put that just above the black eyeshadow. Then we're going to go with blue and purple, and then we're going to put pink. So after placing all your colorful shades, you can now blend them together. You can always keep packing until you reach your desired pigment. Now I have cut my crease with the same concealer that I primed my lids with, and I just blend in the outer V with the same black. Then I took a white eyeshadow and packed it on the lid, and now I'm using liquid lipsticks to create a colorful eyeliner. And I'm doing the same color combination on my lower lash line. The finished look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. I know I haven't been uploading that much. I'm very sorry. I will try to create content as much as possible. See you in my next videos, beauties.